Of course, you're familiar with the work of Dr. J.B. Rhine at Duke.
Yes.
And, of course, some of his work in extrasensory perception and clairvoyance, mental telepathy, and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Some of the descriptions sound quite a bit like intuitive function operating. And in terms of your knowledge of this work, would you say that a person who has clairvoyance, in a sense, would then be an intuitive type?
That's quite probable. Or it can be a sensation type, say an extrovert, a sensation type that is very much influenced by the unconscious.
I see.
Because he has introverted intuition in his unconscious. You see, there are two groups, the rational group and the irrational group. The rational group is thinking and feeling, because the ideal thinking is a rational result, the rational values. That is differentiated feeling. Whereas sensation must needs be irrational, because it may not prejudice facts. You see, it shall not prejudice facts. The real ideal perception is that you have an accurate perception of the things as they are, without addition or correction. On the other side, the intuition does not look at the things as they are. That is prison, that is anathema to the intuition. It looks, ever so shortly at the things as they are, and makes off into an unconscious process, at the end of which we have seen something nobody else would have seen. Now, so you see these people who yield the best results are always those people where introverted or introverted intuition comes in. But you see, that is a side aspect of it. It's not interesting. There's another question, far more interesting, namely that the terms they use, Rhine himself uses recognition, etc. They mean nothing at all. They're words, but he thinks he has said something when he says telepathy. That's nothing.
Now, of course, a lot of the things that you're describing, I think often scientists will say, well, this is due to chance occurrences, chance factors. And Ryan, in his own work, used statistical methods. We find this happening more often than would be affected by chance.
Well, you see, he proves that it is more of a chance